Hello students, I want to give you a tutorial here today showing you how to use the snipping tool. First thing we're going to want to do is go down into this little window pane down on the lower left where the magnifying glass is, and it says type here to search. And we want to type snipping tool. That has this pop up, this little scissor icon. So we're going to left click up here on that. And then you'll notice there is a kind of a dialog box here. And what we want to click is new snip. And then it says drag the cursor around the area you want to capture. So let's just say, for the sake of this tutorial, that Ms. Carlson wants you to send her a snip showing that you know where to find the plan tab in the Paradigms class class homepage or course homepage. So she's going to have you click, let's capture about this much, and I have it on rectangle mode. And then this is kind of cool. I love this little pen tool. So I'm going to leave it on red pen. You could use a highlighter too if you wanted, but we're showing Ms. Carlson that we know where to find the plan tab on the course homepage. So, we might want to circle it or put an arrow or something like that. Look at this, Ms. Carlson, I know where this is. And then I'm going to want you to save it. So we're going to go up to this floppy disk here, click save, and then it automatically saves to pictures. If you want it to save to your desktop, you could do that too, but you want to know where it's saving, right? Because you're going to want to find it later. So I don't want it to be called capture because I want to be able to look for it. So I'm going to say snip of plan tab or something like that. And maybe for your sake, you would want to put the name of the class that you're doing it for. So in case you did a search, you could just search Paradigms. All right, so I'm going to save it into my pictures. And so now I know it's there. You could also use this copy and it will copy to your clipboard if you know that you're going to immediately clip it to something. So if you're going to like copy it over to a Word doc or something like that. But I prefer using the save one right now. I can always delete it later if I don't need it anymore. And that should be all you need to know. The only thing that you might want to know is this delay. I like to use the delay because it will delay for a few seconds, and that allows me to kind of get to if I want to go to a different window or tab or something. So that one you might want to use as well. But these are the basics, and that's what you need to know to be able to use the snipping tool. We'll use it quite a bit in Paradigms English 12. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.